beautiful people, welcome to another mind-blowing recipe. Guys, today I want to show you how to make the yummiest and the simplest muffin recipe on the internet today. I'm going to simplify this recipe for you. You're going to understand every step. If that sounds like something you are interested in, I encourage you to stay with me from the beginning to the end of this video. Let's go, guys. We are done making the batter now. The next thing I'm going to do is to scoop it into the muffin pan. We are going to almost fill this up, almost fill up each. We are making this in the spirit of Christmas, guys. In this Christmas season, Chef Jemmy is gonna give you back to back. That was so accurate, guys. That was so accurate. Woo! 12 and the batter is empty. All ready now to go into the oven. I'll first put my oven 200 degrees, bake it for 5 minutes before I bring it down to 175 degrees Celsius. Then bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. The reason why I'm baking it at 200 degrees at first for 5 minutes is that the first high heat will help lift the domes. So let's go, guys, straight into our oven. Alright, beautiful people, my muffins are out of the oven. Sorry I didn't show you guys where I put the chocolate chips. Just a few here, right? Basically, after scooping your batter into the pan, you're just going to put some drops of the chocolate chip. So easy. And our perfect muffins. Whoa, looking all yummy and nice. Can you see the advantage of actually using a measuring cup or like using a scale or something? You know, it's just going to give you that bakery standard muffins. Now, let's have a bite, even though it's still a little bit hot. But let's see if we can have a bite. So you simply, safely, you can just take it out. See? Oh. Oh, the muffin is muffin. Oh, I love this. I so love this, guys. This is giving. Can you guys see this? This is so yummy and nice. Thank you so much for making this amazing muffin recipe with me today. Do not forget, subscribe, like and share. I'm definitely going to be seeing you in my next recipe. But until then, stay blessed, stay lifted. God bless you and I love you so much. Bye!